Today we are repairing a garden hose that has a bad end, and this is the kit we're going to be using. It has two pieces in this kit, so you can repair two garden hoses if you so choose. And this is what it looks like. They give you some clamps. So we got 4 stainless steel clamps. And we've got gaskets. And we've got the repair pieces. It seems awful light to me. Oh, look at that. We got the gasket already in one of them, huh? So we got the a male end and a female end. So we can use this to repair the hose. Let's say it was broken in the middle, or if you just want to replace the ends. And today we're going to replace just an end. Alright, let's get started. Now in my case, the end of this hose was broken, so I already cut it off. So if you have a bad end on your hose, you want to cut it off before you start the repair. Now I'm going to take some tape here to get a good cut on my hose. So I can get a good straight line. Okay. There we go. That looks straight. Now I'm going to take a single edge razor blade and use that to cut the hose. This is the single edge razor. Keep following this along here. Make sure you got a nice sharp blade here, because this particular hose is all rubber, so it's a really heavy duty hose. Oh, looks like we're through, huh? Yeah, this is a thick hose. Oh, look at that, huh? That's a nice straight cut. Some of these plastic hoses would be probably no problem, but this one is a little bit thicker hose, so we need a good sharp blade. Alright, we can take our tape off now. We don't need that anymore. Let's put our clamp on. Now we're going to heat up this hose, make it pliable, so when we slide our repair piece on there, it will go in easier. It's getting soft. All right, let's try that. Look at that. Beautiful. That's softened it up enough to slide in there nice and easy. Geez, that fits so tight that I don't even think we're going to need much of a clamp. Now, this clamp that they gave you has a hex that we can use a 7mm nut driver on, or we can use a flat screwdriver. So I'm going to use a 7mm nut driver to tighten that on. We'll put it right there in the middle. It's a little bit close to the hex end of this piece. I'm not going to overdo our clamp here because we have already a good tight connection. Well, that's about it. We're going to try that right there. Now, where's our gasket? Here's our gasket. Looks pretty good. Let's hook it up and try it. See how it works. Alright, now we can screw our hose on. So far so good. Alright. That looks good. Let's turn the water on here. Check for leaks. the hose, believe me, the hose is not leaking. This piece is. But it's not leaking right here. All right, that works good. Yeah, we weren't leaking from the repair. This piece right here is leaking a little bit. But now we have our hose in service. So that's good. That's a job well done. So that's all it takes to repair a garden hose.